Hello everyone, it's that time again for the monthly market snapshot for Broward County and the greater Fort Lauderdale area, single family homes, townhomes, and condos. We just got the data for February, so let's get into the numbers. Single family homes. The closed sales had a small spike up, going from 802 sales in 2025 to 811 sales in 2026, a 1.1% gain. That's okay, it's a start, right? The median home price went up 1.6%, going from $610,000 in 2025 to $620,000 in 2026. The biggest increase came from the average time it took to get a contract. Went from 49 days to now taking 54 days to get a contract on the property. That's just a 10.2% increase from last year. Active inventory went down a bit, going from 5,361 last year to 4,931 active listings this year. That's an 8% decrease in the inventory. Townhouses and condos. The closed sales decreased by 2.8%, going from 789 sales in 2025 to 767 sales in 2026. The median sale price decreased just a bit from $275,000 to $270,000, just a 1.8% decrease. However, the average time to contract a property has increased, going from 67 days to 74 days, a 10.4% increase. Active listings also decreased, going from 11,687 in February of 2025 to 10,833 sales in February of 2026, which is a 7.3% increase in the inventory. Now let's take a look to see how the rest of the nation is starting off in 2026. National trends. In February of 2026, U.S. existing home sales rose by 4.26 million units, up 3.1% from January, but still slightly below last year, according to the National Association of Realtors. Inventory increased roughly 1.31 million units, or a 3.9-month supply, while the median price climbed to about $398,400. Mortgage rates averaged near 6.15%, based on data from Freddie Mac. On the new construction side, sales held near 760,000 annual pace, according to the U.S. Census Bureau and the U.S. Department of Housing and Urban Development. Inventory rose to about 480,000 homes, representing an 8-month supply, while the median new home sale price adjusted to around $410,900. Market dynamics. The early 2026 housing market continues to show mixed signals, with homes taking longer to sell, but buyer activity is holding steady due to mortgage rates in the mid 6% range. Inventory is gradually improving, giving buyers more options and leverage, while some sellers adjust pricing to meet demand. First-time home buyers remained challenged, with the average age still near 40 years old, according to the National Association of Realtors. Outlook. Through 2026, the market is expected to remain in a stabilization phase. The forecast from Freddie Mac and the Mortgage Bankers Association suggest modest growth, but below long-term averages, with mortgage rates likely staying in the mid 6% range. Price growth is expected to remain moderate, with improving inventory and stable rates gradually supporting affordability. A quick favor, before you go, can you just take a second to think about if you know someone who is thinking of buying, selling, or investing in real estate? If so, I truly appreciate the introduction or the referral. For every referral, our team donates a portion of our income to the Big Dog Ranch Rescue in Loxahatchee Groves, the largest no-kill, cage-free dog rescue in America, helping thousands of dogs get a second chance. Referrals are simple. Have them call or text me directly, or you could submit their contact info to my secure website, www.referralforgoodcause.com. Even $1 a day can help these dogs avoid these high-kill shelters. And supporters can join their Lifesavers program for updates on the incredible impact just $1 a day will give. Some dogs will go on to serve as therapy animals, comfort the elderly, or assist in our law enforcement as canine. As we head into the second quarter of 2026, thank you for your trust and continued support. Together, we're serving our community and making a real difference. If you support what we're doing here, subscribe to my YouTube channel at Palm Beach Homes Sold, and share a quick story about your pet in the comments. Thanks for listening. Now let's go serve big.